Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, November 11, 2008 am. Take your pilgrim's walking stick again, my daughter, after the stop that allowed you to get back your breath back. Set off again with a springy step and a heart strengthened by our love. You have this advantage over a lot of our brothers and sisters. It is the heart that guides your steps. As far as we are concerned, it is a sad observation to see that in your cultures, intellect prevails over the essential one of understanding through the heart. Try to read these writings truly with the heart, without going into curiosity and even criticism. By acting like that, you prevent yourselves from feeling what can enrich your spiritual life. You then do not manage to understand the real meaning of our words. That is how you are, but everything can change if you so indeed want. You now know what this organ represents as far as its invisible side is concerned. Let it discern the subtlety of some comments which seem meaningless to you. There is nothing to be ashamed of in showing one's feelings and the emotion of a passionate heart turned towards what is ineffable and beautiful. Let this poor heart express itself. It is so often snubbed, subdued by the mind, your education, and all that which makes up your culture. Let it live love as loving ought to be. Babuji. Sunday, November 12, 2010 am. It is true that during the first centuries of the Christian era, contrary to what you may think, churchgoers were considered as belonging to a sect and seen rather badly. Their persecutions lasted a long time. As you can see, what is powerful in your time did not persist easily. Great religious ways, which date back to a long before Christianity, underwent the same fate. Since the dawn of time, it is just a series of new beginnings. What is new is disturbing. It shakes up the established rules. But human beings evolve and humanity turns toward other currents of thought and towards spiritual ways that better suit its aspirations. This is how it must be. Nothing can be obtained easily. It is necessary to accept the incomprehension and continue on one's way. Intolerance will always rage in this world. That there are too many differences between human beings is the reason for it. The many races populating Earth do not tolerate each other, each one lacking tolerance towards the other. Continue on the way that you have chosen. You do not disturb your neighbor. Persecutions, whatever their nature, are not part of your practices. Same day at 7 p.m. Vision of and contact with Maitreya. Following the reading of an article. You have good masters. Their way contributes to the transformation of the world. Maitreya.